What's up, my people? Welcome back to your favorite channel, Chips Poke Ribs. Hope everybody's having a good day. So for today's unboxing, I will have, finally came in, first partner packs from September. These are the Jhoto. So you got one that I'm doing on the video, and then the other one that I always put away for the collection. These come with 2 packs. So I don't know which 2 packs it comes with, but we'll see that in a little while. I'm opening up, I got 4 Evolving Skies packs. So far these been good. Hopefully we get some VMAXs, alternate arts, you know. This series been good with me so far, so hopefully it keeps it up. We also have, I have a Chilling Rain pack. I've been wanting to open this. It's just been there, so I said let me just open it. Comes with the promo card and the coin. See if we get anything good still with that. And they came in already, so this is probably gonna be for the not the next video, but maybe the one after that one. But I got the tins that came in, the Eevee ones, the Vaporeon, Flareon, and the Jolteon. You know, the original Eevee evolutions. These come with 4 packs, so I'll be doing that in the next video. So I got that for you guys. Keep that there. Also, if you haven't, go check out my Instagram. Follow me on my Instagram. Follow me on Twitter. And also follow me on TikTok. So they're all the same name, but I'll put on the video, I'll show the name so you guys could go follow just in case you forget. And that's pretty much what we got for today. So I'll see you guys in a few. Alright guys, let's get this started. Got the binder there. Packs. Let's move this to the side. Let's open this up. Okay. Totodile, Chikorita, and Cyndaquil. Alright. Let's look for their spot. Okay, right here. How are we doing this? I don't have the other ones. I usually put them in grass, fire, water. So let's go. Chikorita, grass. We got Cyndaquil and Totodile. There you go. Added to the collection. Next month, we got the other ones. The original. Put this away. Put this to the side. And let's see what packs came in here. Oh, okay. So they gave an Evolving Skies. I did not know that. I thought it was gonna be Chilling Rain or something, and a Sword and Shield. So we saved this to do with the other Evolving Skies. And let me take this out, and then I'll open up the Sword and Shield first. Let me just get this out of here so we don't have to deal with that after. Here's that code for you guys. Okay. And we got the Morpeko promo card. I guess I'll sleeve that up here regular. It also comes with a coin, but I've already opened this before, so I'm only gonna show the coin. Let's put this there. And let's open up this Sword and Shield base. Code 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's go with fighting. Nope. Wait. Seeking. Galarian Lindon. Hino-chan. Vulpix. Pinchurichin. I don't know. Hoot. Mudbray. Grookey. Rhyhorn. And Scorch. Okay. Then again, nothing off of that. It's okay. Not bad. Free pack. Put that to the side. Now let's go with the Chilling Reign. Okay, here's that code. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and let's go with water. Nope, fire. Scroller Piercing, Avery, Tawaki, Aaron, Roltz, Venipede, Bounce Sweet, Lapras, Reverse Karen's Conviction, and Hollow Inteleon. Okay, not bad. A hollow. Let's leave that up. And now to the good stuff. Evolving Skies. Put that there. Let me just put this to the side. Alright, so let's go with the pack that came in there. Free pack. And got anything. Again with the glue? Oh my god. So you never want me to open these packs. There we go. Okay. Code coming right at you. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go with fire. Nope, Psychic. Scrafty, Snowleaf Badge, Hippopotame, Sarora, Little, Drowsy, Bergmite, Reverse Hitmonchan, and oh yes baby, let's go. A gold card. Got the energy. See what I'm saying? Loving this Evolving Skies. Looks nice and centered too. Not bad. Put this guy in the top loader. Keep him safe. Okay. There you go. Very nice. Put that there. Put that over there. And next pack. Let's just take them all out now. So we don't have to waste our time after going through it. Sorry about that. Let's stop the camera. Okay. The last one. All right, so let's put these to the side, put them right here, and let's start off with this pack. Hold on, let me see if I can just fix it real quick. Right there. All right, let's go. Code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go with fire. Okay, let's go. Fire, is that a good sign? Dream Ball. La Baby. Granola. Psyduck. Swablu. C-Dot. And okay, Ludicolo. Hollow. Alright. I'll take it. I don't think I have this one. Add that to the collection. Not bad, not bad. Put this to the side. Next pack. Code. Okay, let's go with Psychic. Nope, Steel. Okay. Okay. Sora, Psyduck, Rufflet, Drowsy, Reverse Crafty. Nope. Nothing there. Let's put these to the side. Another pack. Okay, here you go. Code 1, 2, 3, 4. Water. Oh, Betty Nice. Let's go. Lantern, Treasure Energy, Digging Gloves, Fletchling, Chinchou, Lil, Dino, Tedderusa, Dream Ball. Nope. Okay. Let's see if we got that last pack magic. Come on. Give me something good, man. Give me something good. Is that code? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go with grass. Nope. Crystal Cave, Toy Catcher, Dino, Mareep, Wobbuffet, Love Disc, Dwebble. Nothing. That's it, right? Yep, that was the last pack. Last pack. So all we got in this video was one of these, which is not bad at all. I'll take it. It's a gold card, gold energy. And we got this hollow, which I didn't have, but it's okay because I need it for my collection. So we're good there. So that's all I got. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys know when I upload new videos. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.